You are welcome to Father Peter Charity Organization. Father Peter Charity Organization takes care of the physically disabled and abandoned kids. We equally promote sports, especially tennis. We also promote Igbo language and culture. And today, I'm here to help the kids of our academy to teach them how to count numbers. We shall learn from 1 to 100 today. And for those who wants to learn Igbo language, you can follow us on our YouTube, Father Peter Charity International, Father Peter Igbo Kids International. Now, let's begin. I will teach you English and Igbo because some of you are so conversant with English, the kids. So when I say in English, I will then say what it means in Igbo. 1, 02, 02. 2, abụọ, abụọ. 3, atọ, atọ. 4, anọ, anọ. 5, ise, ise. 6, isii, isii. 7, asaa, asaa. 8, asatọ, asatọ. 9, itoolu or itenane. 10, iri. How do you see it? Okay, let's do it again. Listen, just listen. 1, 02, 02. 2, abụọ, abụọ. 3, atọ, atọ. 4, anọ, anọ. 5, ise, ise. 6, isii, isii. 7, asaa, asaa. 8, asatọ, asatọ. 9, itoolu.
2, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. 1, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. 1, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri. 1, abụọ, atọ, anọ, ise, isii, asaa, asatọ, itoolu, iri.
So when I say itenane maọbụ itoolu, I said itenane or itoolu, which means they are the same. You can either say itenane or itolu. So if you know whichever one that is easier for you to pronounce and to remember, they are the same. So when you say itenane or itolu, you are saying 9. Now get ready to say after me. Are you ready? Yes, you have to do it, because that's the only way you can master it. Not just to hear the sound, but to pronounce it. You can try. Don't worry, you can do it. Now, say after me. I will say in Igbo. Otu. Say it. Otu. Otu. Abụọ. 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 Atọ. 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 Anọ. 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 Ise. 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 Isii. 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 Asaa. 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 Asatọ. 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 Itenane. Itenane. Iri. 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 Now we have counted from 1 to 10. Clap for yourself. Now, if you have not mastered from 1 to 10, then you have to pause and listen all over again. Then, once you master from 1 to 10, you have gotten more than 50% of what I'm going to teach you today. Because once you can read from 1 to 10, 11 to 19 will be easier for you. And then from 11 to 100 will equally be very easy for you to master. Now we proceed. I now presume that you have learned how to count from 1 to 10. Now, if you want to count 11, from 11 to 19, the only thing you can do is this. Once you know what 10 is, the only thing you will add is and. Just as we say 11 in English, in Igbo, what we say is 10 and 1. But and in Igbo is na. So once you know what and what na is, how to say na, and then you have mastered from 1 to 10, then you are good to go. Now let's go. I will say in English and then say in Igbo. We begin from 11. 11 in Igbo, we say 10, and the 1, which is iri, is 10, and is na. 1 is otu. So they simply say iri na otu. Iri na otu, and that is 11. Then 12 is iri na abụọ, 10 and 2. Iri na abụọ. 13 is iri na atọ. Iri na atọ. And now you can guess what 14 is. 14 is iri na anọ. 15 is iri na ise. 16 is iri na isii. 17 is iri na asaa. 18 is iri na asatọ. 19 is iri na itoolu maọbụ or iri na itenaane, whichever one you prefer to say. This is 11 to 19. Let's go over it again so that you will master it well. I'm sure some of you have mastered it, but let's do it again. 11 is iri na otu. Remember, you only add na. Once you say 10, you add na. So iri na otu means 11. Iri na abụọ means 12. Iri na atọ means 13. Iri na anọ means 14. Iri na ise means 15. Iri na isii means 16. Iri na asaa means 17. Iri na asatọ means 18. Iri na itenaane maọbụ itoolu, iri na itoolu means 19. Once you have mastered this, then you have gotten to 70 to 70%, 75% of what I'm teaching you today. If you have not mastered how to count from 11 to 19, then you pause and go back again. Once you master it, then we can proceed. Now, if I ask you to say what 20 is, I know some of you might be tempted to say iri na iri. No, it is not like that in Igbo. You don't say iri na iri. Here it changes. 20 is iri abụọ. Now you remove na. Now just say iri abụọ, 10 into 2, and that is 20. 10 into 2 is 20. Iri abụọ. Then 30 is iri atọ. Can you guess what 40 is? 40 is iri anọ. 50 is iri ise. 60 is iri isii. 70 is iri asaa. 80 is iri asatọ. And 90 is iri itenaane maọbụ or iri itoolu. Now we have gotten from 10 to 90. Now let's practice this one again. Let's read from 90 to 99. I just presume that you can read 30 to 40. Just it's the same thing, adding the numbers as I told you. But now let's practice 90. If you get it, it means you can do others. Now 90, as I said, is iri itolu or iri itanane. What is 91? Can you guess? 91 is iri itenane and the one. Iri itenane na otu. So you begin to add na. You can't na and. So iri itenane na otu. 92 is iri itenane na abua. 93 is iri itenane na ato. 94 is iri itenane na ano. 95 is iri itenane na ise. 96 is iri itenane na isi. 97 is iri itenane na asa. 98 is iri itenane na asato. 99 is iri itenane na itoolu maọbụ iteghete. Can you guess what 100 is? Can you? Oh, no, it's not iri. No, it is not. 100 is nare, otu nare. So, I want you to practice what you have said. Listen and listen over again and practice. And once you have mastered from 1 to 10, you have gotten more than 50% of the entire lesson of today. And once you master from 11 to 19, you have mastered more than 75%. And then, once you master all these, from 1 to 100, then you are good to go. Maybe next time, we continue from where we stopped today. Follow us on YouTube at Father Peter Charity Organization and Father Peter Charity Group. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time. And thank you for watching. Dalo.